How to leave feedback on eBay after purchase. Hey everybody, if you'd like to leave feedback for a seller on eBay after a purchase, you may follow up the steps. So go over to eBay application and open it up, and you need to have your purchase first of all. So if you already have your purchase, you can head over and look out for my eBay option and or go to seller help or something like that. After you go over here, look out for the specific purchase that you want to leave a feedback for. Look out for your purchase history here. Go and find the option called purchases, your order history. And once you go over here, you will be finding your purchases on eBay. So you can basically look at the specific purchase that you want to leave the feedback for, the product that you want to leave the feedback for. You will usually find this option near the item details or in a section, leaving for feedback. You may just head over and choose a positive, neutral, or negative rating and provide a star rating for different aspects of the transaction, item description, shipping time, etc. After that, you can write a brief comment about your experience with the seller and click the leave feedback button to save your feedback, and that is it. You can even leave feedback through the email reminder eBay sends after your purchase. Feedback can be left up to 60 days after purchase date, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to leave feedback on eBay after purchase, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.